Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to use Lora in the SageMaker notebook. So, if you haven't watched the previous video, make sure to watch that to understand how to set up the stable diffusion models in the Google Colab alternative called SageMaker. You can use Lora in the same notebook in two different ways. Go to the Batch Links Downloader tab on the web UI and then add #Lora. Then you can go to your preferred Civit AI Lora page, then right click on the button to copy the clean link of your Lora. You can do the same thing for all your preferred Lora and you can use multiple Loras in the web UI. Paste the copied link and paste in the next line. At the end of the line, you can name your Lora accordingly with their name. This would be useful if you are using multiple Loras especially. After you added all the Loras you needed, click on the download all button. It will download all the Loras. The second way to add Lora is to paste the copied clean link in the place of this parameter. You should also name the Lora accordingly. There you go. All your Lora are now usable in the web UI. Thank you.